Hello, my adorable friends, and welcome back to another week of learning, another number corner, and another day to help our brains grow bigger and stronger and smarter. I've missed you all. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. We have a busy week. We have lots of fun things to learn, so let's go ahead and get started. Like every number corner, we start off by singing our days of the week, so make sure you are singing loud and proud or whisper quiet, but either way, say the days out loud with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right, my friends, it is the first day of our school week, which means we just finished up the weekend. That means yesterday was Sunday. So today is Good Monday. I already had the Monday card turned around. I was so excited already. Let's look at our Monday card. What date do we have on our Monday card? The number 8, which means it is the 8th day of the month. What month? Say it with me. February. Good. So let's put the whole date together. Today is Monday, February 8th, 2021. And we know February is the second month of the year. First we have January, then we have February. So February's month is number 2. And it's the 8th day. So let's go update our date card with all of that information. Okay, we're going to leave that 2 right where it is. Mrs. Sae-Wong has things flying all around. So we're going to leave the month as 2, but today we need to change that day to the 8th. And the year is 21. So everything we write the date on today will be 2-8-21. Okay, if we want to write our date in the long form, though, remember February, when we abbreviate it or when we shorten it, is F-E-B. We change this to the 8th. And the full year is 2021. All right, but we're going to use the simpler form just because it goes a little bit faster. Let's practice writing that on our grid observation chart. Okay, shout out the date. What is it? 2-8-21. All right, let's look at the shapes on our card today. So today we have 2 different looking shapes, right? So we can't say they're rhombuses. We can't say they're squares. They are, say it with me, quadrilaterals. Remember quadrilaterals. It's even hard for me to say. Has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they have 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be the first time where our shapes aren't the same. So here's what we're going to do. Let's look at shape A. Shape A, it's not a rectangle, it's not a square. It is a rhombus. So say that with me, rhombus. B, what shape does B look like? What if I turn it like that? What if I turn it sideways? What does it look like? It is a square. Good job, my super smart friends. Square. So we have 2 different shapes. It's the first time it's happened. Oh, I like new things because that means it's making our brains think and grow. But even though we have 2 different shapes, do they have the same number of sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They sure do. That's why they're both quadrilaterals. And if we're talking about our pattern, if there are 4 sides, how many vertices? 4 sides mean there are 4 vertices. Let's count one more time just to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it. How about on B? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay. Now let's come to this big word, congruent. Say that with me, congruent. Congruent is where the shapes are exactly the same shape, the same size. There are no differences. Are these congruent or not congruent? You're right, they are not congruent because they're not the same. So not congruent. I'm going to show you a super cool tool that we have here in the classroom. Kind of bummed that we don't have these to send home with you. That's just the way the cookie crumbles this year. But these are called geo boards. If you can see on the geo board, I'm using a rubber band. I made the shape A. It's hard to see here. Let's see. There we go. So on the geo board, see how I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots across the middle? That matches our shape A on the card. And then my second geo board, see if I can put them right over the top of each other. My second geo board is our square. So this is another way, if we were in the classroom, that we would look at this. This is a little hard because Mrs. Sae-Wong doesn't have a lot of space to hold on to things. Hold on, let me figure this out. So if I lay them right over the top of each other, we can see very clearly those are definitely not the same shapes. And that's where geoboards come in handy. And later this week, we're going to use a geoboard on the computer so that you can play around with it and kind of figure out shapes, whether they're congruent or not. So it'll be on the computer a little later this week. Something to look forward to. But this is just one other way to decide if shapes are congruent or the same, or not congruent if they're different. Okay, friends? All right. Moving right along. Sorry, Miss Sae-Wong needs more workspace. Things to hold all my stuff. All right. Actually, I don't even need to move this. On Friday, the last time I saw your adorable faces, it was day number 96 in school. 96 amazing days. But today's a new day. So let's go to our number line to count what number comes after 96 so we know what day in school today is. Let's find that number line. Remember, our number line starts at 80, so we're going to count on or count forward from 80. Ready? 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, woo, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 90, 97. Awesome, my friends. Today is number 97. Day number 97, I should say, together. Let's roll back over. Help me update the chart. So day number 97, I have lost my pen. There it is. We would have a 9 in the tens column and a 7 in the ones. But if I want to write out the word, Mrs. Sae-Wong's handwriting is very sloppy today, so we can fix that. Let's fix it. There we go. So if I have a 9 in the tens column and a 7 in the ones column, that's 97. Or if I want to write it out, say it with me. 97. Good. So let's break this down. So 9 tens equals what? What does that mean? What is 9 tens? Well, if I have 9 groups of 10 days, let's figure out how many that is. We have to count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 9 tens means we have 90 days. Okay? 7 ones. So 9 tens, 7 ones. 7 ones means we just have 7 days all by themselves. So now let's write that equation. Let's add our tens and our ones back together. So we have to add our tens. So we're going to take that 90 plus our sevens, or plus our ones. So plus 7. Oh, some days the words just don't come out right, friends. So we have our 90 plus our 7 to give us our 97 days in school. I'm going to color in day number 97 up here. Make sure you have colored in day number 97 at home. I think I have all 97 days, but will you help me count just to make sure I haven't goofed? Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now we need to count on by ones. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. I have my 97. Make sure you have your 97 at home. We are so close to day 100. Woo! We might do something fun on day 100. You never know. Okay, friends. Last thing we're going to talk about is our Unifix cube, or our counting block collection. So last week we collected 29 cubes total, And I have our totals written down for each color. See that? So we had 29 cubes total, and we had 5 purple, 6 green, 7 orange, 4 red, and 7 black. We are going to collect all of this week, and we're going to collect all of next week. Then in the 4th week of February, we are going to take all these numbers and we're going to do some different things with them. We're going to compare which was more, which was less. So we're going to work with these. That's why I wrote all of that down. I'll use that later in the month. But for now, let's get out our spinny spinner. Oh, right on the line. Come on, Mr. Spinner, work with us. Oh, yeah, line again. Here we go. Okay, what number did our spinner land on? Good, then number 8. So that means we need 8 purple cubes. Help me count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here are 8 purple cubes, our first collection of the week. Last thing we need to do is mark our collection sheet. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. There are 8 purple cubes for Monday. We've marked it on our collection sheet. We are going to keep collecting during the week and see what else we can add to our bundle. All right, my friends, thanks for working with me today. Thanks for another successful number corner. I will see all of you a little bit later.